Hello, I'm Jason from the Deeper Network, and in this video I will show you how to set up your Apple TV to be ready for the DPN. Within your Apple TV, you can set specific network parameters inside the network section.
In your Apple TV, open Settings and then head down to Network. What you're looking for is the router IP address. With that IP address, you'll enter the Connection tab and then configure Manual DNS. Inside the DNS, input the router IP address. So in my case, 192.168.2.1. This will ensure a good line of communication will be established between your Apple TV and the DPN.
We hope you found these videos helpful and informative. Continue watching the playlists to learn everything there is to know about your Deeper Connect and the Deeper Network.
Deeper Network. Of the users, by the users, for the users.